He's done!
Done?
Mm-hmm.
It's only been an hour.
I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
Woo-hoo! I'm the first one on the new road!
It looks awful.
Well, it matches the rest of the town.
Red? Who do you think you are?
Look, Doc said when I finish, I could go. That was the deal.
The deal was you fix the road, not make it worse. Now scrape it off. Start over again.
Okay, look, Grandpa, I'm not a bulldozer. I'm a race car.
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race, me and you?
What?
Me and you. Is that a joke?
If you win, you go and I fix the road. If I win, you do the road my way.
Doc, what are you doing?
I don't mean to be rude here, Doc, but you probably go 0 to 60 in like, what, 3.5 years?
Well, then I reckon you ain't got nothing to worry about.
You know what, old-timer? That's a wonderful idea. Let's race.
Gentlemen, this will be a one-lap race. You will drive to Willie's Butte, go around Willie's Butte, and come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting, no biting, no road rage, no maiming, no oil slicking, no pushing, no shoving, no backstabbing, no road hogging, and no lollygagging.
Speed, I'm speed. Float like a Cadillac, sting like a Beamer.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop? The race is only one lap, guys. Uno lapo. Don't need any help. I work solo mio.
Fine, race your way.
No pit stopo. Comprendo? Okay.
Gentlemen, start your engines!
Great idea, Doc. Now the road will never get done.
Luigi?
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show. Try to get ready, and quattro to... I can't believe Huh? Doc, the flag means go. Remember the flag? Here we go. Go.
Doc, what are you doing, man?
Oh, dear. It would seem I'm off to a poor start. Well, better late than never. Come on, Mater. Might need a little help.
Okay.
You got your tow cable?
Oh, yeah, I always got my tow cable. Why?
Oh, just in case. Hey! Was that floating like a Cadillac? Or was that stinging like a Beamer? I'm confused. You drive like you fix roads. Lousy. Have fun fishing, Mater.
Oh!
I'm starting to think he knowed you was gonna crash.
Thank you, Mater. Thank you.